Can you imagine? I made a real 3D Hello Kitty model using just one picture. I used an AI modeling tool called HumanOk, and it was unbelievably easy. First, I uploaded a photo of Hello Kitty. The AI automatically recognized her bow, whiskers, and facial details, and in about a minute, it generated a full 3D model. Then I adjusted the pose a little, exported it as an STL file, and sent it straight to print. When I saw the final result, the details were so realistic. Even the bow's texture looked delicate and felt super smooth to the touch. Now I'm planning to spray a shiny pink coat to make it even more dreamy. Next, I'll show you a few more 3D models as examples. If you also want to turn your favorite characters, pets, or even yourself into 3D models, HumanOk is definitely worth trying. If you enjoy this kind of AI plus 3D creation content, don't forget to like and subscribe. Next time, I'm thinking of making a 3D version of cinnamon roll. What do you think?